My video is about getting rid of the fake Chrome Search Contest 2022 alerts that are related to the site Backmakefair.top. Backmakefair.top is a website displaying numerous fake survey alerts that try to encourage people into participating in this fake survey and share a lot of their personal details. The fake Chrome Search Contest 2022 survey tells that people have a chance of winning some great prize, such as Samsung Smart TV or some other top gadget, but in reality, participating in these fake surveys is definitely a mistake. If you share your personal details through these fake surveys, these data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So do not share your personal data through such fake survey messages. Now, we recommend you to, first of all, carefully research the control panel of your computer. And if you find any programs that are suspicious here, uninstall them. Right-click on them and uninstall them in a regular manner. Now, I would also recommend you to additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and start researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.